if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. So it's right now, it is literally like 2:15. If you guys had watched me last night on my, well, you're not going to be seeing this today, but on Sunday. Saturday night we actually did a live where I was stocking the Easter eggs. This morning, which will be Sunday morning, we actually did a whole Easter breakfast celebration for my son. We did that also on a live, and the intention was to go outside at around 12 o'clock to do the Easter egg hunt, but tired, we all went back to bed. We're just now getting up. My husband is already outside, but we haven't hidden the eggs yet or anything, and we haven't started cooking. Well, technically Troy already did the coleslaw. Oh, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on in the comment section, and share. So Troy already did the coleslaw. The piece is already cooked, but we haven't done anything else. I'm gonna see if we can go outside. I'm gonna show you upstairs the basket. So let me show you guys. If you guys weren't on the live, you can still go and check it out. These are the buckets. We're gonna go outside now and hide these for the kids to go and start playing. We have the piece that's already cooked here. This is what is left out of the pak choy and saltfish that we did this morning, and this is the remainder of the food. Little bit left in that pot. We don't know the bottom. This is the pork. We took it out, we thawed out and everything. This is gonna be cooked. We're gonna do this before TJ leaves today. And we also had like some fruits and stuff. Still have a remaining of avocado that we need to put up. So we're gonna go outside now and start hiding these eggs so the kids can come out and start playing. At first I was thinking that I was going to put that on a live, but I think I've been doing too many lives, so I'm not gonna do that right now. We are gonna fix the trampoline outside, so maybe that I put on a live, maybe, I don't know. Let's see how that works out first. Guys, everything just a bump up, but let's see how that works out first. But it's 2:19 and we were up so early. I'm so tired, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. That's my mantra. We gotta do what we gotta do. So let's go outside now and see if we can get the eggs hidden. It's such a beautiful day today. TJ did enjoy his breakfast this morning and everything. We'll start taking all the eggs.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be.
Guys, I need to go get a sweatshirt on. Outside is chilly. I know it's gonna be a little bit warmer, but outside's a little bit chilly. I'll get a sweatshirt on.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
The shiny ones have money, right, Mama? Or is it the just gold ones?
The shiny ones.
Okay. Because last time it was only the gold ones, right? Last time it was only the gold ones, if I remember correctly.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I got that noted now. Thanks.
It's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit.
Alright guys, so we're outside. We're gonna start hiding these eggs.
Move blood in circulation, one step at a time. Yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit.
Alright guys, so I finished hiding the regular ones and Troy is hiding the one with the words in them. He's better at hiding. I just put things randomly all over the place. So let's go find him.
Watch out. Maybe any money nobody can find this.
Oh my god, nobody.
One in this already. One in this already.
But I don't know if it's so.
You can't search. One is one is Tell me now. Tell me now. Not two left. No, I can't see. Look at that tree there. There you go. Tree there's a.
You know,
You
amigo?
can't see that. You see that you don't see it from us. Let me show you.
Oh. See that, guys? I see it? Alright. Much left? That's the last one?
It's right in the face.
That's it?
Right.
Oh, you got one more.
Uh-oh.
Wow.
They go see.
Huh?
They go see this one.
Which one right in this one? Yep.
You don't have to tell me.
You know, big one. Yeah.
You don't have to tell me that.
Alright. Rules. Jesus, did you just tell us that we're gonna get your name for one?
TJ, you know you're alive.
We have 8 shiny eggs, 3 golds, and the rest are just really bright colors. Those are the only ones that have price in there. Their ranges from $1 up to $4. And then you have scattered eggs all over the place. The carrots that you're seeing basically has like powdered candy inside of it. Try ready? They're hidden in every area that you can think of. The weirdest areas, so don't think that they're low-hanging fruit all over. There are things that are straight in front of your face and others that are like really hidden, okay? You gotta be smart, think about it. On your mark, careful. Do not step in my gardens and damage anything. Do not destroy my gardens. On your mark, get set, go. Careful, careful. Careful.
I always thought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns.
Let's see.
They deserve it now.
There goes slow and steady for TJ.
Work for it.
Slow and steady for TJ.
Work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now.
Put your song
I
on.
won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to win the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns.
Big on the map prize.
I see you. You get any shiny ones yet? Anybody find any of the shiny ones yet? TJ find any of the shiny ones?
TJ God.
Grandmother.
God, man. I didn't know what you want.
You know, find the shiny one there.
I can't find it.
You hear your mother saying, you listen to what your mother saying the first time, looking at somebody weird in the face.
That's good.
Tristan found the first one. Alright, so we have Tristan and TJ found one of the shiny ones. They're not so far, Papa. They're not so far because down there so wet.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go.
Oh, that's such a big brother. Aww. We got 6 more to find. 6 more. Oh, Grandma found one of the shiny ones.
What's my purpose? What do I grab?
You find 3 shiny ones? What? 3, 4, 5. So we have 3 more shiny ones to go. That TJ just gave to her.
We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic.
We got 3 more shiny ones to find.
And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the
Alright, I'm gonna end it.
vastness of all that is blackness.
I'm gonna search it enough. That has a bucket full. We got 3 more shiny ones to be found. Mommy find shred him. Mommy.
How you doing?
I'm good. How you doing?
Very good, man.
You really good?
Wait a minute. Are they behind the trees? You know my favorite parent, right, Mama?
So what now?
You could give me a hint, right?
I must give you a
Yeah,
hint
like
because
you-
I'm your favorite parent.
Yeah, you can slide.
Uh-huh.
You can slide me something.
Oh,
You can slide me some eggs, right?
study some eggs. Got chicken?
Yes, I think so.
Oh,
You can slide me some eggs, right, Mama?
not chicken.
You can slide me some eggs.
Eggs expensive. You have to work feet.
I'll give you some of the money from I'll give you money.
All right, we got 3 eggs remaining, right? I'm gonna give y'all a hint. Ready? Where's Grandma? Mommy?
Mommy's gonna give us a head.
Right there. All right, so 3 more eggs remaining. I'm gonna give you all a hint to find them. You guys have to listen and be smart. The first one is in an area that borders us and the neighbor. And stop. Wait. Come back over here, sir. And 2 are involved in something that gives us brightness in the night. So let's go.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray.
No, if go over the yard.
Are some better days.
Alright guys, we have the trampoline out that Troy is also gonna be fixing up. Oh, no, run on the house already?
There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just get buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't
Careful,
think that
run
my
it away.
head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me?
Guys, we're looking for that one up there, so then pass it. No, that's so far. But not far. Everybody pass the one. Everybody going at everything else except the one. You guys are so close.
Much I find now? Much I find?
Grandma have 4. Mommy, you have to share the pin in them.
Much one I go on I find?
She have 4.
DJ, you find one?
She give it to
So
Tristan.
that's a 5, right? Got 3 more
I
left.
have 2 more remaining. So we got 2 more remaining. All right, come back.
You can't find it. Don't go tell you. You don't know go find it. I mean, I do not.
Come here.
Come, we show them. They're not gonna find it. They're not gonna find it. God, they're not gonna find it. Come on, son, gather around.
All right, come. I'm gonna tell you guys a hint. One more hint. I'm gonna tell you guys when you guys are warm or cold, right? They're in a garden. That's right next to us. In something that gives us light.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. I never ran,
It's in one more. It's in one more.
Remember
Yeah.
you say you would have.
Hey, yo,
I said
yo,
one
yo,
more.
there's one more. Find it.
Right in front of you.
Right in front of you. Right behind you, Tristan.
Go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave.
No, no, do your account. Your account. What am I saying? Look,
Oh, Daddy, is it gone too?
Yeah, what, all of the gold one. Just the gold one.
We have 2 gold ones. Daddy,
Well, I have
one
5.
big in though.
The 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. Yep, that's all 8.
Alright,
Alright guys, that's it for today's game. Today's activities. We're gonna go to the back now, and as a matter of fact, I'm gonna go inside and start seasoning the pork, and then we're gonna go and join Troy. He's gonna start fixing up the trampoline. So let me go show you real quick before the battery dies. Yes, I'm coming. Yes, I'm coming. Yes, you can. Yeah, I showed you guys already. Battery gonna die real quick. So I'm gonna set this up real quick, and I think I'm gonna go on live to do it. So hopefully you guys catch me on live when I do go there. So we're gonna set this up right now. I think it's a 14 inches or 16 inches one. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, comment down in the comment section.
I want to show them my curve shot.
I'll do that next time.
No, you don't have perfect.
Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Like this video, comment down in the comment section. And until later guys, oh, and share. And tell TJ happy birthday.
Thank you.
Alright? Until later guys. Bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.